In this tutorial, I'll demonstrate how to add a Presto card to your Google Wallet. Let's get started. First, ensure you have the Presto app installed on your smartphone. If not, download it from the Google Play Store. Open the Presto app and log in to your Presto account. If you don't have one, follow the on-screen instructions to create an account. Once logged in, navigate to the card section in the Presto app. Here you'll find a list of your existing Presto cards or an option to add a new card. Click on Add New Card or a similar button. The app may prompt you to enter your Presto account password or use biometric authentication for security. Choose the Google Wallet option as the method to add your Presto card. The Presto card will generate a unique barcode or QR code. Open the Google Wallet app on your smartphone or download it from the Google Play Store if you don't have it installed. Look for an option to add cards in your Google Wallet. Tap on Add Card or a similar button. You may need to grant permission for the app to access your camera. Use your smartphone's camera to scan the barcode or QR code generated by the Presto app. Align the code with the on-screen frame and the Google Wallet should recognize it and add the Presto card to your digital wallet. Once added, you can access your Presto card anytime by opening the Google Wallet and selecting the Presto card from your list of cards. And there you have it. That's how you add a Presto card to your Google Wallet. Thanks for watching. Peace out.